Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we have a mystery box opening. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see I'm not even wearing a watch today. I've actually been working on one of the old cars all day today, so I didn't even have a watch on. If you're into old cars, check out my other channel called Mileage Unknown. I'll have the link below. Also in the notes below for the video, there's promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast, and then the link for the car channel. So let's go ahead and start opening this one up. This is going to be a mystery box from Aragon. So every year around Wing's birthday, who is the founder designer of Aragon, he does mystery boxes, and generally there's different sizes and tier levels of the mystery box. Now I thought I completely missed out on them this year, which I did, but then later on Wing released a few more in the 50 millimeter at the $100 tier level, which 50 millimeter is bigger than what I normally would wear, but I wanted to see what the mystery box was. So I have no clue what we've got here. Ooh. Let's take a look. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Aragon, they make, honestly, if you're into large watches, I think they are probably one of the best purchases you can make for large and in charge pieces. They have a lot of really cool stuff. Generally, I stay around the 45 millimeter range, but this one is a 50. Got an automatic movement. Let's see if I can see what the movement is. Got a Seiko NH, can't tell, NH36A. Got their logo on the crown. I like that extra grip on the crown. Got screw down. That dial's kind of cool. Check out the dome on the crystal. Some of the dome from Aragons are really cool. Logo on the buckle. I'm liking this one. So this is what we've got for the $99 mystery box from Aragon. Their shipping was quick. I have no clue what this model actually is, so I will have to do my usual and get a little more information on it. Shh. Sorry, my dog's barking in the background. But that's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. You know what? For being a 50 millimeter one, yeah, it's big, it's cool, but I actually don't think it looks that bad. So I was scared that if I got another 50 millimeter one, I would end up trading it off or selling it off to one of my buddies. But the crazy dome on that crystal makes me want to keep this one. So I'll do my usual, wear it a bit, see what I think. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.